Class teachers remarks. Head teachers remarks. Head teachers remarks. Then class teacher's name. Don't forget, all these things you want them to appear on the report. That's why we are doing all this. Head teacher's remarks, class teacher's remarks, then class teacher's contact. Yeah. Class teachers. Okay. Please, the name comes first. The name comes first. So it's class teacher's name. Class teacher's name. Then class teachers. Contact. The next is head teacher's name. Then head teacher's contact. Head teacher's contact. Let me check the next thing. After head teacher's contact. Okay. Okay. Let me pause here. Now let's try to add some formatting to it. So let me select the entire heading. Let me center it. I can add some text wrap. Before that, let me stretch it first. So the name, the school name is very some schools name some school, their names is very long. So let me increase, and the address to the motto, the school contact. Let me stretch it a bit. The form and the semester, I think is okay, and the row is okay. The academic year, let me stretch it a bit. Then the total attendance. Then the vacation date. The reopening date. Total score too. I think the space is okay. The position, the grade is okay. People's attendance, I think that space too is okay. Promotion too is okay. Conduct. and attitude, interest, class teacher's remarks. Let me stretch it a bit. Head teacher's remarks too. I think I have to stretch it a bit or increase the size. The class teacher's name too. Then the contact, the class teacher's contact. The head teacher's name and the head teacher's contact. Okay, I think it's okay. Now let's increase so we increase the size of the table. You go to design, resize table, and let's change only the last digit, which is 200. Click OK. Think it's okay. Think it's okay. Now let's start with our formulas. Now the serial number. We want the serial numbers at the registry to appear here. So we start with our equal to. I've already taught you the index. We want the registry column, which is A, to appear here. So that's why we started. That's why we are starting with the index. Index. Which column do you want to appear here at the registry? So registry is in another sheet, so use end it with what? The factorial sign. So registry A column A, comma, you match. Okay, what are we which cell do you want to start from? You want the first cell or the first serial number at the registry should start. So registry you bring your factorial A2, comma, where the lookup array, where is registry A2 found? It is found in registry A column. We want the exact match, so 0. You close it with a closing bracket, you bring another comma. We are dealing with columns, so if its column is 1, you close it again with a closing bracket, you press enter. As you can see, they have appeared here. Then let's go to the names. We want the names entered at the registry to appear here automatically. So as usual, we start with our formula is equal to index registry. You bring your factorial B, column B, that's where the names are found. You bring your comma, match, open bracket. We want the first name to we want the appearance here to start from the first